appreciate you guys for tapping into my YouTube channel. If you guys learned a thing or two, please like, subscribe, and if you have a comment, drop it below. So right now I'm wetting the hair with my spray bottle, making sure it's thoroughly damp. Now I am using my Hanzo shears and I am taking off a section off the front of the head, and I'm using the same guideline all the way to the back of the head. Make sure you guys pick that hair up with the comb and use the same guidelines all around. Check your work, do the cross check from corner to corner, corner of the hairline of the forehead to the corner of the crown, and vice versa. Now I'm drying my hair with my brand new blow dryer. Can you guess what blow dryer that is? If you guys get this right, I will give you a free haircut. Let's go. Make sure that hair is thoroughly dry. Make sure the hair on top is even. If there's any hairs that are sticking up that are uneven, you can go ahead and use the clipper over comb technique. Next, I will be debulking the hair on the sides with my number 6 guard, using my comb to place the hairs back in place to their natural position. Use the same technique all around the head, front to side. Pull the ear down so it doesn't get in the way and you don't miss any hairs. Go with the shape of the head. Make sure you don't go up too high over the crown. Flick out as you're getting near the crown of the head. Make sure it's even all around. Make sure you're using the same dimensions all around. Next, we will begin our taper on the neck with our initial skin guideline with our detail trimmers. We're using the burst taper technique, getting rid of the hairs on the bottom, clearing it out to go over it with the balders, making sure we get that tight taper. Using the Babyliss shavers, make sure you go against the grain. Keep the balders right below the initial skin guideline. Next, clipper half open. Do a 1/2 inch width section. Go against the grain. Next, number 1 guard, clipper, lever open, another 1/2 inch width. If you guys duplicate these steps, this will be a $300 haircut for the right barber watching right now. Next, getting rid of that initial skin guideline, clipper, lever closed. 1/4 inch increments. Flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist. Blah-da. I'm just showing you half of the neck. Follow the same steps on the other side of the neck. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper lever open. Flick of the wrist. Close the lever halfway down. Next, number 1.5 guard, clipper lever open. Close the lever halfway. Now play with the lever until you get that blurry, faded, perfect taper. Next, taper on the sides, initial skin guideline with the burst effect. Boom, get rid of that hair underneath. Follow the same steps as I did on the back of the neck. Same exact steps you did in the back, you're gonna do on the sides. Going over the balders. What's the next step? For those that have been paying attention, what would be the next step? Exactly. Clipper lever open, 1/2 inch width. Next step, clipper lever open with the 1 guard, 1/2 inch width. Next, getting rid of that initial skin guideline with the clipper lever closed. Going up 1/4 inch increments. Next, 1/16 guard clipper lever open. You should be answering these steps as I go over them. They are the same exact steps as the back of the neck. Play with the lever until you get that nice, crispy, gradual blend. Blah da da. Next technique, clipper over comb with a flat top comb, clipper lever open, sculpting the sides of the head. Next, edging up the neck with my trimmers, the Cocoa trimmers. What is your favorite trimmer? Comment below. My top 2 trimmers are the Cocoa trimmers and the Wall Detailers. Those are my hitters. Don't press too tight, don't irritate the client's skin, don't give him any rashes, or definitely don't cut his skin. Next, we're gonna edge up the front. Make sure you do not push it back. Keep it as natural as possible and use your mirror to check the work. Make sure it's even and straight on both sides. Use the anatomy of the head for that crispy, perfect lineup. Blah da da. This guy wanted a little freestyle design, so I'm using my trimmers to achieve the curves and the swooshes and getting around the tight areas with the corner of my blade. he wanted some hair enhancements, so I'm spraying him with Enhancements by Kiss. I mixed that product with alcohol and dark brown and the color black. And this is my finished product. What you guys think? If you guys liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you. Blah, da, da.